It's
all our pleasure to say, hey Steve, can you join us on this song? And this song came to us. We have no idea how we wrote so many Bible story songs coming from a hippie family, but they came through us.
Go figure.
And this song is about two brothers that have fought for thousands of years, and in the midst of one of the crises in the Gaza Strip, we simply asked ourselves, why are two brothers from the same father, Abraham, fighting for this many years? And we're brothers, maybe we should ask the question. So we just wanted to write a song that addressed that, and it came through us. And it might be one of the songs that people ask us to do the most, and Steve Farber's one of those people that says, can you play that song?
It's one of my all-time favorite songs.
Thank you.
This is called Abraham with the very special, talented Steve Farber.
Let's start with a solo, shall we?
There's a tale told by sailors of two sons and their father as they sailed to old Palestine. True were these brothers, they sailed to bury their father. They would fight for Jerusalem. You will be meek when I am able. You'll be the salt upon the table. But when all is said and done, could you somehow be sons of Abraham? I was told by a stranger, a young blood thrown to the desert, he united a people with his hands. In the way to the crescent, he fed the lion to the pheasant. He would stride to the spring of Zamzam. When I am able, but you'll be the salt upon the table. When all is said and done, could you somehow be sons of Abraham? You will be meek when I am able, and you'll be the salt upon the table. But when all is said and done, could you somehow be sons of Abraham? There's a tale told by soldiers, the young blood taken to slaughter. He was saved by his father's hand. Oh, he was prized and protected. Prince was he elected. He was to save the wolves with the lamb. You will be meek when I am able. You'll be the salt upon the table. When all is said and done, could you somehow be sons of Abraham? You will be meek when I am able. You'll be the salt upon the table. But when all is said and done, could you somehow be sons of Abraham? You will be meek when I am able, and you'll be the salt upon the table. But when all is said and done, could you somehow be sons of Abraham?
Ah, Steve Farber on the guitar.